Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Just a quick update on my truck tires. So around 25,000 mark, I changed out the original Firestone tires that came with the truck, and I bought a set of Cooper. And we're now at 65,000 miles, so those tires lasted 40,000 miles. Kind of wore them right down to the markers on the tire. Tread life markers, and I was looking to replace them. I was going to go with the same Cooper tires because they were really good, no problems at all over the whole course of owning them, but they weren't widely available to me, so I decided to go with a set from Canadian Tire, which I think are actually made by Cooper. These are the Motormaster Eliminator X-Trail AT, and they are made in the USA like Cooper's are, and looking online a lot of people felt they were actually made by Cooper for the Canadian Tire store in Canada. One reason I wanted these tires is they have the mountain peak, with the 3-peak mountain with the snowflake inside, so they're suitable for taking in winter conditions. A lot of times when you're going over passes, you have to have, this is M+S, but it also has the little mountain symbol with the 3 peaks and the snowflake. So they're good all-weather tire. Also, they have pretty decent tread on them for going off-road in mud, that sort of thing. I was surprised how quiet they are. When I did get the Cooper tires, for the first about maybe a year there was a slight whine when you're going 60 or 70 miles an hour. I've tested these out and hardly any noise out of them at all on the highway, which is nice because the bulk of our driving is towing our fifth wheel on the highway, but we do a lot of off-road, and it's kind of nice to have tires that can handle that. Also, these tires were rated enough of a load range that they'll be able to easily handle our fifth wheel when we're fully loaded up. They're comparable to the OEM tires. I think it's 3,600 and something pounds rated on the tire. So yeah, looks like a good deal. Another reason I got them is they were on sale, 25% off spring sale, and that came to $270 Canadian a tire. So it was about $1,000 something dollars, plus it was $168 to have them mounted and balanced for me, and then taxes. So it came to about $1,440 something dollars, which is a little over $1,000 US. So not bad for big heavy-duty tires for the Big Blue. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a quick update for anybody wondering how those Coopers did for me. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.